So AMC is supposed to disclose the earnings for the first quarter of 2021 tomorrow, May 6th. By looking at the chart, you will see the red, and especially if you are a new investor or you don't really, how this, or you're new to the whole stock market game, it may sound stressing. It may be overwhelming, and you may question yourself like, have I really made the right decision into putting my money into AMC stock? But as we go into earnings, I want to kind of clarify something, especially at the light of this article from Yahoo Finance. So what is interesting is on the earnings, you not only focus on what the company did, in order to get to this point of time, especially at the end of the first quarter. Of course, that plays a major role, but the market is really trying to get to know what it's coming, what are you supposed, what are you working on, or what are the things we should be focusing on in order to see whether if we need to sell the stock, if we need to increase our position, if we need to add more. That's really what we call the guidance. What is interesting is the last two earnings reports from AMC were positive. They were better than positive because they were beating the market expectations, because the analysts and Wall Street, they will, based on the research they do on your company, your revenues and your charges, your costs and everything, they can draft a kind of a preview of what your earnings will look like. Now, if you come in and the numbers are way better than what they anticipated based on their calculation and the research, that's how you beat the earnings. And usually it means you did a better job than what they thought you did. So it's usually followed by share price going up because it gives them confidence into the investment they made into your company. So as we go on the earnings tomorrow, keep in mind that the two last earnings were great, and we are also well positioned to also have a surprise, meaning to beat the earnings of this first quarter of 2021, especially the fact that theaters were more open at a bigger capacity starting last month and the month before. So to finish, guys, AMC Entertainment currently has an earnings whisper of about minus 10%. Which suggests that analysts have recently become bullish on the company's earnings prospects. But positive earnings ESP, when combined with the stock Zacks rank now at hold, indicates that another bid is possibly around the corner. We expect the company's next earnings report to be released on May 6th, that is tomorrow. So guys, the fact that we have this bullish sentiment on most of the analysts on AMC stock, it gives me at least we can expect these earnings to be good because the market is also expecting. But you never know, you just never know with earnings and how the market will react. We can definitely be on a situation where we did not beat the expectations from the market, but we end up having a bullish a movement on the share price, because looking at the chart, guys, it's been 6 straight days that we've been continuously beaten down on the stock market. Going from 11 to 9.17 now. You just never know, but I'm holding.